Transpose list of lists. Let's take. The result I'm looking for is and not.
Python 3. Python 2. Explanation. There are two things we need to know to understand what's going on. The signature of zip. Zip iterables. This means zip expects an arbitrary number of arguments, each of which must be iterable. For example, zip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unpacked argument lists. Given a sequence of arguments args, f args will call f such that each element in args is a separate positional argument of f. Itertools.zip_longest does not discard any data if the number of elements of the nested lists are not the same, homogeneous, and instead fills in the shorter nested lists, then zips them up. Equivalently to Jenna's solution.
One way to do it is with NumPy transpose. For a list, A, or another one without zip, Python is lower than 3. Or for Python is greater than or equal to 3.
Just for fun, valid rectangles and assuming that M0 exists.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.